Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you use a Mac and regularly create tutorials, product demos, presentations or screen recording, you probably know that recording your screen is only half the job. You still need to zoom into important areas, remove unnecessary pauses, add smooth animations and make the final video look professional. That's exactly where Screen Studio comes in. In this video, I will show you what a Screen Studio is, how to download and install it on your Mac, how to record your screen, and some of the features that make it different from a traditional screen recorder. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Screen Studio for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Screen Studio. Simply click on the link. Now you can see here the download button, download Screen Studio. Click on the download button. Now you can see here two download mode. First is for download for Apple Silicon. If you have Apple Silicon chips, go for Apple Silicon. And if you have Intel chip, then go for download for Mac Intel. Click on the link. As you can see, the download is started. Let the download to be done first. Now you can see download is successfully completed. Now I'll install the Screen Studio. Click on the DMG file. Now just drag the Screen Studio to the application folder. As you can see, it is copying. That's it. Just close this installer mode. Now open your launchpad and you can see here the Screen Studio. Open it. Now click on open. Now you can see here the interface of Screen Studio. Screen Studio is asking for the permission. Allow screen recording. Simply click on allow. Then open your system preference. Now you can see here the Screen Studio is not checked. Simply click on the lock. Provide your Mac password here. Then click on unlock. Now just simply tick this Screen Studio. Click on quit and reopen. Now close this. Now open Screen Studio again. Now the second permission, accessibility permission. Just click on allow accessibility permission. Now again your security and privacy will open, and under privacy on the left side you can see here accessibility. Simply select it, then click on the lock again. Now provide your Mac password, then click on unlock. Now just check this Screen Studio, then close this security and privacy. That's it. Now just check the box I agree to the terms and services, then click on accept and continue. I am a new user, I am an existing user. If you are a new user, go for the new user. If you are existing, then go for the existing. Now you can see here start recording option. simply click on start recording. Now at the bottom you can see here display. If you select it, it will capture the whole display. And if you go for Windows, no windows are selected. If there is any window, it will start recording from there. And you can see here area. Just drag and select the specific area you want to record your screen. Now you can see here devices. Screen recording will ask for camera recording permission. Screen recording needs camera recording permission to record external devices. Okay, if you want to record any external devices, just go for it on the device. No camera, no microphone. Just enable the camera from here. Just click on it here, and then you can see it is selected don't record camera. You can see here the max camera resolution. Just select the resolution from here. Hide camera. If you want to hide camera, just click on hide, and if you want to open the camera, just click on FaceTime HD camera default. And let's come to no microphone. Just click on no microphone, then click on OK. Now again click on no microphone. Just from here select the microphone you are using. If you are using built-in microphone, select it. Reduce noise and normalize volume. Disable auto gain control. Now at the right side you can see here settings. Click on it. Now from here you can hide desktop icons in recorded videos. Hide screen studio dock icon while recording. You can see here if you enable it, as you can see it is already enabled. It will hide this screen studio icon from the dock section. Recording countdown. If you want a countdown, just select it here. Advanced recording engine, modern recording engine, forced legacy recording engine, features. You can see your settings. This is the Screen Studio settings. Start Screen Studio at login. I prefer it to choose turn it off. Hide dock icon, okay. Leave it as by default, so it will be very convenient for you. Okay, so basically Screen Studio is a screen recording and video editing application designed especially for macOS. Its main goal is simple: record your screen and automatically turn that recording into a polished, professional looking video without requiring advanced video editing skills. It's especially useful for YouTube tutorials, software demonstrations, app reviews, online courses, product walkthroughs, and quick how-to videos. Instead of recording your screen and then moving the footage into a separate video editor, the Screen Studio gives you many editing tools directly inside the application. So, is the screen recording worth trying? If you regularly create screen recording videos on your Mac and want professional looking results without spending hours learning complicated video editing software, Screen Studio is definitely worth checking out. Its biggest advantage is the combination of screen recording, automatic visual effects, zooming, cursor enhancement, and editing in one streamlined workflow. And if you create Mac tutorials for YouTube, it can make your production process significantly faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.